Hey everybody, I'm Jared Allen with Bully Bag and Tool Company, here to showcase the Bandit Wraps. The Bandit Wraps are a solution for securing your loads whenever you're on the road, possibly your extension cords, decluttering the garage, for your hoses, your ropes, a multitude of solutions. They are cost effective and outstanding. There's a tab on the end for you to pull if you need a good grip on it. There's a second eyelet and a first eyelet at the base, so you can actually band your load if you need to really put some tension on it, more so than can be had by the strap itself. So if I demonstrate here, so if we had, say, a load that we needed to secure, we go through one eyelet, then through the other, and band it down. And that's how we came up with the name Bandit, because that's exactly what you want to do whenever you are trying to secure your loads, whether it's an extension cord, an air hose, or a bunch of lumber and static loads in your truck. Small, medium, large, extra large are all rated at a weight rating of 25 pounds. The jumbo is rated at 75, and these are all very conservative and accurate for their ability to secure. The industrial Velcro utilized on these wraps is very strong. They're good quality wraps, they really are. The small wrap, this is 1.25 inches by a total of 10.5 inches long. The medium is 2 by 12. Of course, that's incorporating the tip there, the pull tip. The large 2 3/16 by 16. It's a pretty nice size wrap right there. The extra large, and the jumbo. The jumbo I've used a lot. It's almost 24 inches. Or sorry, almost it's 34 inches and 2 3/4 wide. That's a big sized securing wrap right there, and has been really beneficial for repairs around the house, as well as those large loads in the pickup truck, as well as possibly tethering your ladder to the roof if you're doing construction or something like that. And they are sold both individually and they are sold in a 5-pack, depending on how you purchase them on the site, so that you can simplify your life and claim the storm.